Hello friends, welcome to Keyframes Online. I'm Abhishek Inamdar. Today I will show you how to design an app. You can say Android app design, icon design. One of my I have got a comment from my channel that he want to see how to design app design, icon design. You can say in Photoshop. So today we'll see how to design this button or icon. So let's get started. I'll take new document. Generally it will be in pixels. I'll take 800 by 800. Of course resolution will be 72 because it will be not in print format. So whenever we are going to print, it should be or above 150 or 300 or till 300. Mode will be RGB. If you want to do our printout work, it will be on CMYK, that is cyan, magenta, yellow and black. So now for our purpose, we'll keep in RGB, that is red, green and blue. Background will be white. I'll say OK. I'll say app icon design. Don't want to see this. I'll create again. I'll take one elliptical with one layer. Press Shift and Alt on keyboard. So it will be giving a proportionate circle selection. I'll go and take any of this color. I have taken green. You can take blue or red. You can say red. Stop button, red. I'll take one more layer. I'll press, now go to select, transform selection. Press again Shift and Alt, the proportionate come down with selection like this. I'll say OK. I'll fill this one with white. Again I'll go and select, transform selection, again Shift and Alt, come down, get a proper ring. I'll say so, come down like this. Okay, now I'll delete this part. I'll press delete on keyboard and Control D to deactivate my selections. I'll take one rectangle. I'll place this rectangle like this and press delete, Control D. Somewhat I want big one like this. Now we'll take one more rectangle. Like this. Now I'll take one more layer, this one, layer 3, and I'll press Control and backspace. It will be filled with white. I'll make slightly short. Now it's fine. Now this layer and this layer I'll merge down. Control E to merge this one, and I'll go to FX. I'll go to drop shadow. For drop shadow I'll choose 90° because generally in smartphones the icons are front on 90° sides. So if you place the shadow slightly toward 90°, say like this, it gives a sunlight effect. This, I'll come down with opacity. Now I'll off this one. I'll add one more layer of shininess. I'll take elliptical tool. Select transform, Alt Shift and Alt, uniformly increase the size of the elliptical. I'll say OK. I'll go to gradient, press G on keyboard, that is a shortcut. I've already taken this one. I will reset it. I want you to see each and every part, like how things are done. So click on this one and take white, then click on red. You can take white and click on opacity, say 0. I'll say OK. And okay, this one is linear fine. Press shift on keyboard, keep the circle over here and drag like this. Slight shine it will give. Then on this one, take this layer up one, you can see the shine, or else you can increase this shine layer like this, and this can be filled with black, and F on keyboard. This is your app design, cool app design. If you like my tutorial, do subscribe my channel, that is Keyframes Online. If you want some tutorials from me, if you have any requirement of 3D Max, Photoshop, whatever softwares you want to learn, do comment or message me what kind of tutorial you want to see. I will try to understand your comments and revert it back, and I'll make tutorial for you. And thanks for watching my tutorial. See you in next tutorial. Bye.